Yes, Sandra ma'am, you can start.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Give me opportunity to speak here. Actually, I don't have much idea about that. What is speaking? Means public speaking. Means
Yes, yes,
whatever
ma'am.
we are delivering our things, and you can understand, and only we have to make them understand. Means suppose we went to our college that time, and that time we don't have any content. Suddenly someone of called, you have to speak, but while going there we don't have any content. Matlab, totally we blank that time. You anything, so we are in means in our mind what after buying there what we will speak. So it's a very blank. So it happen means I think so for everyone who those person they have a little bit idea about English, and also uh, those people they only have little about speaking, how we can deliver our message front of people. So suppose that time you don't have any content, so only you observe around your area what I am going to tell. Like first of all you go there and you say, very warm and very kindly you can say good evening friends, and after that you wish all people, and then after you start and what going on like that, and in which place you are standing that time. So you also you can maintain means say this place is very nice, and this is very good place, and their environment is very good. Those people who are standing front of who is as a sitting as a listener, then also you can ask small question you can put up, and so it's a very easily means we will be able to speak. Actually that time we don't have much content, so how we can speak. So first of all you only do one things, and without hesitation you only start speaking. And suppose you want to say more things, so you can include those things what happened you did in your life, and what happened means what are you doing in nowadays. Then you can ask easy way. So it is not particular what is speaking public speaking. So doesn't matter what is the public speaking, whatever you want to deliver front of people, it's a called speaking and public speaking. Like I want to convey some message, but I don't have much knowledge. And suppose last day I read some book, and I have little bit idea about that. So that time only you can say yeah, last day what happened, I was totally free, so I thought I should learn some book. So I started reading, and I found some question, and I have doubt and queries, something like that. So you can share with them. So also automatically our conversation it's going on. So it's a happen. And suppose you are going somewhere and you don't have much content to speak, so also you can same things you can apply in that time. Like don't go only normal things, miss which dress you are wearing that time. So from where you did you purchase, and what is the price of, and only miss you appreciate them. Ki this dress is very good, and also I want to purchase. Well, little conversation you start speaking without hesitation. So it will be very helpful. And I want to say one thing: English is not only for a 1 day journey, and this is very long journey. Means you will have to speak for a long time. Then after that you can improve yourself. Actually when we was a little kid, so that time also we don't know a Hindi even. So in our environment all people only speak Hindi, that's why we get all things what going on. And without knowing, without telling, you have to make these things, and uh, no one teach us Hindi. Also in Hindi there is no rule how to speak, how to, after listening we improve ourselves. So also it's the same thing. Our environment is not English environment. So if you try to speak, and those people who has an idea and try to listen those speaker, they are good content. So those simple word you take in your own word, and you speak start speaking. without thinking. It means many people I have heard many times. I have learned many things, but I am unable to speak because they don't know where I can use these things. So it's a happen, and so that's why when you start reading, while reading also you can take some little content and you start speaking without thinking. So it will be very helpful for our journey. Also I'm saying I'm doing same things without thinking, only I speak whatever I have content. I after listening speaker, so I only same thing I did, and also I'm doing. So it's my journey means I'm doing same thing. So thank you, sir, for giving me chance to speak here.
Yeah, really, whatever you deliver, Sadhana, really very incredible. And second thing, because your experience day by day means too much higher, going very well, and 100% I'm very happy, because sometime when means I'm talking about it, I think only 15 day before, 1 month before, that time you have lots of doubt, but now because today also you deliver very remarkable and very effective point, because mostly persons they started English means learning English language 100%, they think about it same thing. Yeah, whenever we will meet
Yeah,
means
sir.
some within a stranger and other person also, that time they think about it. It means how to start means conversation, how to talk with means like with boss, with friend, with because sometimes I forget, because English my all Indian have it like a second language. So definitely it's happened. And 100% after watching this video, lots of people and anybody have this type problem, 100% we will overcome and they will get means very remarkable. Thank you.